Hi guys, Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today I'm going to show you how to work the Trinity Stitch. We're going to start first with a row of chains that's an even number. So here I have chained 16. And I'm going to turn and work into the second chain in my hook. And I am going to work into the back here. So I'm skipping the first chain and working the second, turning over to work in the back hump there. I am going to work one single crochet into that second chain, sorry. Now I am going to work my first Trinity stitch, which is a type of single crochet together, if that will help you. And I'm going to start in the same stitch that I already made my single crochet in. So I'm going to insert my hook back into that same chain, and I'm going to yarn over and pull up one. Now I'm going to bring these two into my stitch for a single crochet 3 together. So I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then into the next chain, the same thing. So I'll have 4 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4. And I'm going to chain 1. Okay, so now I have a single crochet, and then starting in the same stitch is my Trinity stitch, which is a single crochet 3 together and a chain 1. Now I am also going to start in the same stitch of my last part of my single crochet 3 together and just repeat those steps. Insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and go to the third chain. So I have 4 loops on my hook, pull through all 4, chain 1. So now I have a single crochet, 2 Trinity stitches, which includes the chain 1s. And I'm going to keep doing that across the row. Go back. We have 2 chains left, but we're going into the last leg of the last one we made. So when you get to the end and you only have 2, that's exactly where you need to be, because you're going to start in the last part of the last stitch you made, yarn over and pull through. Now here you are not going to chain 1, but you are going to place a single crochet in that last leg of the last part of that last single crochet. Okay, all right, now we're going to start on row 2 for our Trinity stitch, and we're going to make it in the same manner, turning our work. I'm going to chain 1, which does not count, and single crochet in our first stitch. Starting in the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, go to the next, yarn over, pull up a loop, go to the third, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 4, chain 1. Starting in the same, on the last one, remember not to chain 1, but to single crochet into the last stitch. And that's it. When you turn, you're going to continue working the same way with a single crochet to start and finish the row, and your Trinity stitches in between, always starting in the same stitch where you stop. If you get to the end and you're off, it's usually because you've automatically started in the next stitch, or maybe forgot to chain 1, or common mistakes. When I first started working the stitch, it took a few rows to remember that. So give yourself some time, and working up a gauge swatch is a good way to get to know the stitch and make sure you're on gauge, but also you'll remember that before you start your sweater or your big project with it. I hope that was helpful,